Okay fellas, hey, we have the small problem with the Milwaukee M18B5 battery, and it's one light blinking, but the charger shows it's fully charged. So let's check what we can find here. Okay. So, first thing what we are looking on the Milwaukee batteries is that the connector here are good. Now it's good. It just holds. The BMS blinks. So we need to make some measurements here. Okay, let's check. We have 18 volts here. Okay, that's nice. What we have here, 3.7, 3.67, 3.77, 3.7, and 3.7. So, why this one thinks that this battery is fully charged? Probably it's a controller fault. Yep. What do you think? 377, 377, 377, 367, 371. So it's a little bit out of balance. And you can see the battery mostly look like new. Okay, I will just go for the cells to check, and if I see the same, yep, and yep. Okay, I think the fault is in the BMS here, so I need to replace it. Okay, don't find it on my shelf. Okay, now first thing what we want to do is screw the screws here, hold the BMS, and I have the order shitty BMS from the China. And why they're shitty? Not because they're made bad, but they're without a nickel plates, the minus and positive, so I need to solder them from the old controller, and that's honestly really don't like for me, but it is like it is. I need to use them now, and of course well, there are the normal ones. Okay. Let's remove the thermal sensor. Touch the battery positive negative a little bit. Okay. Okay, got the BMS out, and now I need to and solder these ones. I will put them to the vise and solder them to the new BMS. And in the meanwhile, I will put this one for the balancing, I think, because it's a little bit out of balance and we don't want that. So we'll be back after some time here. Yeah, after balancing it. Okay, after some time, I don't know why, but it's balanced for 4 days. Maybe it's my balancer, I don't know. I have soldered the strips from the old BMS to the new one, and I hope they will fit. I know that they will fit. And what I'm just doing, sometimes I'm just sanding this one a little bit to get it in a better grip with the solder. Basically, the easiest way to do that is with a disc. I don't know why you're doing this or not. And okay, if you're doing, tell me that. If not, tell me too, and why you're not doing this one. Okay, so let's check. Now I can just easily melt it on the surface, and that's why I love it. Okay, now I will melt some solder here. And of course here. Okay. Now we need to double check that every pin is in place, and okay, now it seems good, so let's try to mount it. Okay, my thermal sensor. Oops, touched it. Don't do like that. Don't be like me. Okay. So now I can see the both pins. They are not going quite in place. I need them to be. Of course, I'm just slowly moving them. Okay. Okay. The BMS got some current because I touched it. Okay, now the pins are in the places. This ones are in the places. So basically we can tighten it. Okay, you can see it's not the best angle for me. Maybe we'll put it like that. Or I'll find a smaller bit. Some small zoom in. I know how to show it for you to see, maybe like this one. Okay, now this one flips. Okay, the small screw that goes here. Can see where the hole is? Okay, got to the hole. Okay. Now we need to solder the pins and the main contacts. Okay, now we need to solder this one, and as we have sanded it a little bit here, you can put some solder here. It will help to get it hot faster, and it will help to melt the other part of the solder. Okay. Maybe we want to press it like that and hold it until it goes down. And yes, I'm using really tiny solder. There's a reason for that. And I don't have the fat one, left one, and to not push it. So it is like this. That's a simple reason. Okay. What we have now, we have all 4 lights, so it will work. And we need to put it to the housing. I'll put a warranty sticker, closing the cover here, checking, maybe we have some problems with the BMS or something. No, not seems like that. It seems like something is not letting to put it in. Oh, okay, that's good, looks good. Let's try to close it. Yeah, looks nice, and LEDs are working, so you can easily close it. Okay, and that's all. We have prepared the Milwaukee 5 amps 18 volts battery. Thank you for watching, thumbs up and bye.